I want to show you how to get rid of rodents, whether that be rats, mice, squirrels, out of your garage. You can see here we got a 2-car garage, and I got the hood up for demonstration purposes. This is my friend's garage, and you can see here there's a whole bunch of plastic and rubbery coating. That's actually from the car engine where the rodent, probably a mouse, is getting in there and chewing. What they do is they chew to sharpen their teeth, and they make nests with it. Sometimes they'll actually build the nest in the vehicle, and they will eat those hose. And the car that I had, or still had, it actually ate the lining of my car. I'll show you a picture here. One reason they do it, especially with the newer cars, is because they coated all these hoses in a lot of the newer vehicles with soy as the actual product, not rubber or synthetic anything. They do that because it's supposed to be environmental, but as you can see here, it causes you a mess, and unfortunately it's not covered by a warranty usually. So in my garage I completely got rid of them within a week. Actually, it was probably a lot sooner than that. And what I did was I installed a ultrasonic pest repellent, just like this one. And what you do, you want to plug it up, of course, in your garage, and that'll work even from that distance. We're looking at what, maybe 7 feet. You could technically, if your outlet's way far away, and you can get like an extension cord and maybe lead it out under the engine, like just go around and lead it there. But you don't really have to do that. That's perfect right here. And what it does is it sends out a huge sound to any insect. I could barely hear it now. It's like a little small click, but it literally sounds like a jackhammer or beating pots and pans. And the squirrels and the rats and the mice, they hate it, and they'll go somewhere else. And that's what happened with my garage. I completely got rid of the rodents. So I'm at my friend's house and I'm installing one of these, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get them. I like this particular one because it's intermitting, as opposed to this one my friend had in his garage. It's a pest reject, and this light stays on. I don't even know if it looks like it transmits sounds, but it was not effective with his. So this one I like because it's intermitting, and it's just a constant pounding 24/7. And it's great because you don't have to use sprays or traps or anything like that. You don't have to worry. It doesn't hurt dogs, cats, birds are fine. The only thing that it would bother would be like if you had a rodent like a hamster that's close to the area, or a gerbil or a tarantula or something like that. But cats, dogs, and birds are fine. Fish are fine. And this works. And so I'll go ahead and put a link in the description and show you where you can get one. Thanks for watching.